meeting my sister today in Barcelona, so I don't want to wash my hair and actually put on some like half decent clothes for a change. So I need to get a wiggle on. I'm going to get myself together and then check the tram times and let her know when I can get in. But yeah, it was so silent here last night. Not that I got a lot of sleep, but there was another van here as well. They went off early this morning. So just having some brekkie, making a coffee, and then I'll wash my hair and get on my way. It's actually quite refreshing. It's bloody freezing. Have I got enough water to rinse it? Oh. And that was a shower with a view. Oh. What a bloody lovely little spot that was. I might come back here tonight. I'm only going to stay in Barcelona for one day, so depends how I feel this evening, how late we stay out, whether I want to stay here or drive when it's dark and the sun's gone down, which arguably is probably a better idea. Yes, I've got makeup on today. Quick change, not in the mud. I'll get to the station now. Taking the scenic route to the station. I can hear the trains. Oh my god, getting a ticket wasn't easy. I think I've got the right thing. Now I've got to make sure I get on the right train. Excuse me. Second one in. Oh, it's busy. My sister was off to the Monegros Desert Festival alone. There she is. It's 8:30 p.m. and it's still 31 degrees. Bit windy up here though, nice bit of a breeze. Gonna cool down with a little bit of a freshen up, have a cup of tea and some biscuits, and I'm just gonna chill out. I'm so tired. Today was more exhausting than driving. It's all that food and drink we had. Cup of tea and bickies. I accidentally trapped some mosquitoes in my van last night. About 1 a.m. I was literally up with the light on in here trying to catch the little buggers because they've bitten me to smithereens. Hello. Barcelona. It's been lush. I double and triple check this time. Cookies and milk for breakfast. I wanted to leave early to go to Perpignan, and I wanted to go there before it got too hot. So I should arrive about 11:30. All right, I'm in Perpignan. Well, half a mile away, and I just saw a little, so that I'll pull in, grab a bit of food, and I've spotted a laundrette. So considering my rug, and I can't blame pudding, is disgusting, smells like wine and beer, my whole van smells like I'm an alcoholic, I think it's time to do a load of washing. So this is going to be a novelty. Oh. Right, 38 minutes. About to do a little shop. Not sure how clean it's going to get that rug. Yay, clean washing. Although I'm not going to put it in the tumble dryer. It seems ridiculous when there's that in the sky. Okay, I found my spot where I'm going to dry my washing. I think I've hit the jackpot again. I mean, does it get much better? Holy smoke. Currently deserted, so I'm kind of expecting this to be a bit busier this evening. I mean, look at that view. To be fair, I'm quite glad there's no one here at the moment to enjoy this view with me. Or this one. Oh, I reckon half an hour and it'll be dry. Got to keep an eye on it though, it's a bit windy, I don't want it going over the edge. So I have utilised my 2 bungee cords, an exercise band, which I knew would come in handy because I haven't used it for exercise yet, and my e-bike is for my duvet, and obviously all the elements of the van. The rug is on the roof. I'm obviously keeping an eye on the washing, checking if it flies over, but actually I can't stand still for too long. There's so many massive ants here that as soon as I stand still they start climbing up my legs. That was time well spent. I'm going to go and look at a medieval castle now into Perpignan, and I'm going to come back here later. Little charity shop. €13. About 7 different places. So desperate for a shower. I'm gonna have to try and figure out a way of using this with the water I've got. Shouldn't film this, should I? Let's see how retarded I am. I've got enough drinking water. I'm going to use all of this. I'm so sweaty. Okay, I've improvised. We've got a slight slant on the van. I put the shower over the surfboard so I can actually get underneath. It's going to be cold because it's only been warming up for about half an hour. I needed that. Oh my god. That's better. That was a sweaty day. And I was salty from yesterday still. Another van's turned up, but at the moment I can only see a man. I think it's a guy on his own. It looks to me like he's folding up some kind of wing. I think he's way too preoccupied with what he's doing to worry about me. I feel safe. Another van turned up last night, quite late. Sunrise was about an hour ago, and that is where the sun should be. But as you can see, no sun yet. My my side panel now seems to have completely given up the ghost from the inside. Don't worry, it literally won't open now. So basically, this is what I have to do every time I want to get out my van. It's bloody annoying. I'm so glad I came here yesterday and you could see the Pyrenees, because that was a really disappointing sunrise. But this thing's brilliant. It like doubles up as so many different tools. So I've got my coffee and I'm going for a bit of a carpet this morning with some porridge.